Hey guys, it's Friday again, and you know what that means. It's time for an episode of ClickTips. ClickTips is where I give you quick tips that'll make you more productive throughout your day. This week, we're looking at how you can clean up the statuses in your ClickUp workspace. Let's jump right into it. So with spring right around the corner, you might want to do some spring cleaning inside your ClickUp. And one of the best ways to do that is make sure that you don't have any statuses that aren't necessary, cluttering up your workspace. So if you come down here to your avatar menu and click on spaces, this will give you an overview of all of your spaces inside of ClickUp, as well as what folders have different statuses and what lists inside of those folders have different statuses as well. And if you come down here, you can edit all your statuses right from here. So here you see we can edit our space statuses, we can use templates, we can create new ones, we can add, we can remove, and then save it. And then same with our folders, we can go ahead and edit it or make sure that it's using the same statuses as the space. One interesting thing to note is that statuses cascade down. So by default, when you set your space statuses, those will cascade down to the folders and lists. If you edit the folder statuses, those will cascade down to the lists unless you edit the list statuses. So just because you update your space statuses, for example, does not mean that that will cascade down to the list. You're going to have to go ahead and make sure that your list is using folder statuses and then that those folders are using space statuses if you want everything inside the space to have the same exact statuses. But that's all I got for you this week, guys. Thanks so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.